Hello and welcome to ACE the English Hub. The seventh video in English grammar and its usage series deals with the second part of pronoun family. In the previous video, personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, and interrogative pronouns were dealt with in detail. Today we discuss distributive pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, indefinite pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and relative pronouns. The first one being distributive pronouns, we can define that distributive pronouns are used to indicate members of a group separately rather than collectively. Each, either, neither, anyone, no one, none, etc. are distributive pronouns. Either and neither are used when speaking about two things or persons. Anyone, no one, and none are used when more than two things or persons are spoken of. The next one is reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns are used to show a reciprocal relationship, that is, a mutual relationship between the groups or individuals participating in the action. Each other and one another are the reciprocal pronouns. Each other is used when speaking of two things or persons. One another is used when speaking of more than two persons or things. Next one is indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns used in a general way without specific reference to persons or things. One, everybody, everyone, nobody, nothing, something, all, many, few, any, both, some, another, little, much, such, etc. are indefinite pronouns. Coming to demonstrative pronouns, pronouns which are used to point out things or persons are called demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. Next, it is the relative pronouns. Pronouns that relate or refer to a noun that goes before it are called relative pronouns. The noun that goes before the relative pronoun is called antecedent. Who, whom, whose, which, and that are the most common relative pronouns in English. Who is used to refer to people and sometimes to pet animals. Whom is used to refer to persons when the person is the object of the verb. Whose is used to indicate possession by people and animals, which is used to refer to animals and to things. That is used instead of who, whom, or which to refer to people, animals, and things. Now, coming to the difference between relative pronouns and interrogative pronouns. Relative pronouns are those which are used to connect a clause or phrase to the antecedent. It modifies the antecedents, whereas an interrogative pronoun is a pronoun which is used to ask questions. Often, interrogative pronouns have no antecedents. Now let's go through an example. Veera and Virat were great friends and they liked each other very much. They were very helpful to the villagers. They taught all the villagers to help one another. Everyone in the village liked them very much. As a reward to their numerous help, the villagers gave each of them a packet of sweets. They thanked the villagers and gave a box in return and said, "These are some books we bought for our little friends in the village." Then pointing to a building, Veera said, "That is an old building which belongs to my uncle. That is good for a library. We can set up a library there." The villagers happily agreed and decided to give it the name of Mahatma Gandhi, who is the father of our nation. In this example, each other, one another are the reciprocal pronouns. All and everyone are indefinite pronouns. Each is the distributive pronoun and these and that are demonstrative pronouns. Which and who are relative pronouns. That's all for today. Meet you next Thursday with adjectives and its kinds. Thank you.